Most beginners in affiliate marketing lose money because they test Facebook ads the wrong way. One day, it feels like an ad is working. Then suddenly, the budget is gone with zero sales. So let me pull this out first. So as you can see here, this is my Excel worksheet. So when I just started my affiliate marketing business, I do not have any tracking software. So I just do it manually. But now, I use Clickmagic as my tracking software. So I could easily see what is going on my campaign. So you can see here, this is my Clickmagic account, and you will see that these are my ad set. This is my metrics. So I can easily see where the sale is coming from. So I can decide how to move forward based on my data. So it's not like I am shooting in the dark. So you will see here, my revenue here is 135 from one sale. So this is one campaign, and you will see my ROI for this ad set is 97%, but my total profit here is negative 14.36. So we need to know our numbers because we want our campaign to be profitable. So as you can see here, negative 14.36. For the following weeks, I have improved my campaign by testing the variable that works for me. So for example, you will notice here, so this campaign, I have 4 ad sets. So ad set 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So meaning, from this campaign, I have 3 ad sets. So I'm trying to improve my loss here. So you will see these are my loss, negative 10% ROI. This campaign, I have uploaded new ad set and testing my variable and trying to less my loss. You will see here my return on investment is already 10%. So you will see from my negative profit here of negative 14. So my profit here is 12.55. So now I'm trying to make this campaign to be profitable. So here's what you will learn today to stop burning money on meta ads. This is a simple affiliate marketing framework for beginners. So here's what you will learn. A simple accelerated testing framework for meta ads. When to kill an ad set and stop wasting budget. You will learn the key metrics to watch before you can turn your ads off. The common beginner mistakes that burn ad spend. So this is a simple system designed for affiliate marketing beginners. So testing random audiences, random creatives, changing too many things at once, and not knowing what actually caused the results. So that's where most people get stuck. I will show you a simple Facebook ads accelerated testing framework designed for affiliate marketers and beginners who want faster results without wasting weeks guessing. This framework helps simplify your testing, so it becomes easier to spot winning creatives or ad sets. So if the goal is building an online business and getting results faster with affiliate marketing, then this strategy can help avoid common mistakes that keep most beginners stuck. So let's get started. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something very important when running Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. And this is about testing. Because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is testing randomly. So they launch one ad and then wait emotionally. Increase budgets too early or keep spending on losing campaigns hoping things will magically improve. So that's not what we want here. And when there's no testing framework, this is where most affiliate marketers burn money fast without getting the results they want. So our goal here is to simplify the process using what I call an accelerated testing framework. So this framework helps test creatives, ad copy, headlines, audiences, and even landing page and deliver faster results without wasting budget. Everything starts with testing creatives because creatives are the engine of Facebook ads. If the creative is weak, even a great offer will struggle. So the first phase in testing is creative testing. So I will provide you 2 simple structure on how to test. So the first structure is to test 6 creatives. So 1 creative per ad set with $20 budget per ad set. So this means if testing 6 creatives, the total daily testing budget is around $120. Now, some may think that sounds high, but here's the reality. Testing is data collection. The faster good data comes in, the faster decisions can be made. And faster decisions help avoid wasting money long term. Next, another structure of testing is 12 creatives. So meaning 2 creatives per ad set using the same $20 budget per ad set. So this setup helps compare 2 creatives inside an ad set. So with the same budget of $20 per ad set, so by doing this, you can maximize the budget. So both approaches can work. And this is important when doing your testing, whether you are testing creatives, ad copies, landing page, audiences, headline, test one variable at a time. So now let's talk about something important. When to kill an ad set. This is where many affiliate marketers lose money because they hold onto losing ad sets too long. So let's use a simple example here. Let's say your CPA target is $75. CPA means cost per action or cost per acquisition. And then your AOV. AOV means average order value is 135, let's say. So this means the goal is to acquire a customer below $75 so that your campaign has room for profit if your average order value is $135. So you can still keep a profit of 60. This is 135, this is your AOV, less 75, this is your CPA. Now, here's a simple beginner-friendly rule. If an ad set spends around 1 times CPA with no meaningful signals, it may be time to pause it. So in this example, if an ad set spends around $75 with no sale, poor CTR, less than 7%, or weak engagement, or low landing page CTR, that's usually a warning sign. Now, some creatives may still have potential if metrics are strong. For example, high CTR of 7% and above, or low CPC, cost per click of less than $1. So this could mean the hook is working, but if no sales, then maybe the back end needs improvement. So the back end, like landing page or bridge page CTR. So that's why decisions should not be based on only on emotions. So you need to look at the data. Now, what key metrics that you need to check during testing? So first is CTR. CTR stands for click-through rate. In Facebook ads, it is the percentage of people who click on your ad after seeing it. So this tells if people are interested in the creative. If CTR is low, like below 7%, usually the creative or the hook is weak. And then second is CPC. CPC stands for cost per click. In Facebook ads, is the average amount you pay every time a user clicks on your ads link. If clicks are too expensive, like $1 plus or $2, the audience or creative may not be connecting properly. And third is the landing page CTR. Landing page CTR, this is the outbound CTR. This measures the percentage of people who click your ad and actually landed on your bridge page or landing page. So if people click but don't continue to the vendor's sales page, whether this is a VSL or text sales page from the vendors, there may be a disconnect between the ad and the landing page. Okay? So fourth is the conversion signals, like OFI. This is the order form impression, and of course, sales matter. So these signals help identify possible winners only. Now, another important factor here is do not scale too early. one sale does not always mean a winner. So this is why you need to validate the winner. A campaign should show consistency before aggressive scaling. And this is where many beginners fail. They get excited after one results, increase their budget too fast, and the campaign becomes unstable. So instead, know your data and think like a data analyst. The goal is not emotional decision. The goal here, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, the goal is controlled optimization. Because the purpose of accelerated testing is simple. Fail faster, find winners faster, and scale smarter. So not every campaign or ad set will work, and that's normal. Professional affiliate marketers understand this. So testing is part of the process. So the faster you kill ad sets that are not working, giving you sales, the faster winning campaigns and ad sets can receive more attention and budget. So that's how a no-ceiling money system is built. And that's how affiliate marketing becomes more profitable over time. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can create your online business by generating passive income online, then I have this new course here in Udemy called Online Business Clickbank Passive Income First Sale Guide. So this is a beginner-friendly online business passive income Clickbank course to get your first sale without confusion and overwhelm, without creating your product, without email list, or without blogging. So here, as you can see, this is a brand new course, and my goal here is to generate at least 50 students. So here's what you will learn inside this course. You will set up your own passive income stream on Clickbank, choosing your Clickbank profitable keyword that has a demand, and build a clear step-by-step system to drive traffic and achieve the first Clickbank sale. And I will teach you on how you can create your irresistible hooks for targeted traffic to generate your first sales. So you will also learn how to create your simple but effective marketing strategy using storytelling and persuasive content. So here, I provided you a free sneak peek. So you can just go here and click preview. So you can see some free preview here of what is this online business Clickbank passive income first sale guide. So you can watch this video. Are you struggling to make passive income in Clickbank? So you can have an option here. You can get this course for free when you subscribe today. So you can get start subscription here, or you can buy an individual course. So I hope to see you inside if you are a total beginner and wants to start generating passive income using Clickbank. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.